So, what really gets people moving at work? Today, we're digging into one of the first big ideas. It's a huge question managers have wrestled with forever. So, let's define what we're actually talking about here. Back in the early 1900s, an engineer named Frederick W. Taylor had a revolutionary and pretty controversial answer. Taylor was an engineer, and he absolutely hated seeing waste. His entire solution came down to one simple idea. And that one idea was the bedrock for his whole system, something he called scientific management.
Okay, so what is scientific management? It all boils down to four key principles he developed in steel mills.
Basically, he wanted to break down every single task to make it as efficient as a machine.
So, why did this theory take off? Well, it was a huge leap forward for a few major reasons. You can see how this obsession with process was an absolute game changer for industrial age productivity.
But here's the twist. The theory's biggest strength, that focus on efficiency, was also its greatest weakness.
Here's the thing, it completely missed that we're not just robots. We need more than just a paycheck.
Now, you might be thinking, this is super old school, right? But its DNA is everywhere in today's workplace.
Think about it. That intense focus on process and timing, it's pure Taylorism, right down to the second. Which leaves us with a big question. How do we balance efficiency with, actually being human?